Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason Yoder, and today we are going to be doing a little bit of a modification to this Jeep so that I can better film this channel for you guys. We're going to install a GoPro mount.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
For those of you who watch the channel, you know that I enjoy sharing the journey to get to my photographs just as much as sharing my photography. But to do that with the Jeep, I've been holding a camera out the window. So today, we're going to correct that. Hey guys, if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. I'm Jason Yoder. On this channel, I take you on my travel adventures where I try and photograph the world. And one of the ways I do that is with this Jeep behind me. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding in this Bulletproof GoPro mount. Now there's lots of different mounts that are out there, and I'm trying to find stuff that's very low profile, stuff that's not going to block my view. Now I've seen a lot of other people's rigs where they have like bars going across their dashboard and arms sticking out to hold their phones and their big cameras and stuff. That's not what I want, because that, well, it takes away from the view. So I think I might have found the perfect low profile mount for my GoPro. So let's give this thing a try. So I decided to order a passenger side mount. That way, again, it's the GoPro is going to be a little farther away. It won't obstruct my enjoyment of the surroundings I'm going to be around. I can still reach over and turn it on and off and when I need to. So where it's going to mount, we got to take this little rubber pad out here. It's going to mount right there. Look how low that thing is when I'm not using it. It's barely visible. And the nice thing is with the attachment for the GoPro, I can actually lean it back so that when I'm not using the GoPro, it's not going to be in my way. Now to mount it, where this thing goes down here, there's an actual screw already in the dashboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove that screw, and then we're going to use that to hold this, secure this down onto the dashboard. Now there's also a sticky surface here for you to peel away to make sure that it stays in place. So the other thing we're going to look at doing, there it is this guy. Now this is the rubber liner that went inside of there. I can't keep the rubber liner there when this is here. So one of the things I might do is just kind of measure out where it would go. And it looks like if I just cut right here, I'll be able to put that rubber liner back in, giving a more cleaner appearance. All right. So this is what it's going to look like here. Oops, once it's installed. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull out the stock screw that's in here, and it's really hard to see it. There it is. Got it. All right. Almost got it. There we go. Just going to take a quick look compared to the screws they gave us, and this one's actually longer, so we'll keep this one if we can. Alright, take the mount off here to give myself a little bit more room to work with. Now something I was worried about on the ball on this thing is whether or not it would start wearing down or be too smooth to support this during bumps. It is actually, it's got some texture to it to help keep a grip on your mount. Alright, so just real quick, I just want to make sure this is going to go in okay before I take the sticky stuff off. It looks like I'll take the sticky stuff off to be able to get it low enough in there. Let's see here. You know what? I think the reason why they gave us shorter screws is because, oh, there it is. I think I found it. Yep, I found it. Okay. So I think we're going to be okay. So let's go ahead and peel this off. Go and stick it on there. There we go. Found the thread right away. there we go. It is in. So, next up here is to get the GoPro mounted. But the problem is, I'm using the GoPro, so I'm going to switch cameras real quickly here, and then we'll see how this thing looks with the GoPro in it. Alright, so we got it mounted up here. So what I'll probably be doing is I actually have two of those overpriced microphone adapters. So I'll probably leave one up here with my smaller microphone so we have better audio if we are trying to record while inside. But I've got the original casing that the GoPro came in. And the reason for that is it's really easy for me to pop this thing open, except when it's against my windshield. Tilt it back here. Come on. Alright, not so easy. There we go. So it's easy for me to pop it into my other mount, which is my handheld. And also if I need to, I can leave it here and it should be alright. But anyhow, you can see over here, easy for me to reach to turn it on. And then if I wanted to start recording, I can just hit right here. And we're good to go. And now I don't have to worry about the GoPro being in my field of view. I can enjoy the landscapes. So instead of putting it over here on the driver's side, which would be a little bit annoying, I really do recommend you put it over here on the passenger side so it's out of your way. Don't forget to join the EWJ community on patreon.com/EWJ, where I post all of my bonus content. In the next episode, we are going to be taking a sunset photo shoot of Tucson, Arizona, and test out the GoPro mount while driving up the Jeep Trail on Mount Lemmon.